Poppy's hauling me around on the sled on the property. We're going sledding, and he's dragging me around. Here's my legs, and we're going sledding. So I'm gonna film a little bit so you guys can watch. And Maxine, the neighbor's dog, is hanging with me. She's running alongside the sled. Okay, we're going. Paul's waving. Maxie! We're going. Maxie! That's okay. See the little dog, her name's Maxine, and she hangs out with me all the time. Poppy's been taking me for rides with the little sled. See my feeties? Yeah! Here's the property. It's all snow. Maxie! We're going sledding. There's the dog. She's a beauty. I love her. Look at Maxine, watch out, Maxie! Watch out! Good girl. Okay, he's dropping the plow and he's gonna plow a smooth spot for me. There's the dog. She's always following around me all the time. The little hill. Whoa! Maxie! Maxie! It's a little bumpy. Sorry, guys. Check out the property, though. It's just neat. It's a winter wonderland. That's the tractor there that I drive. Yeah, I cruise it around and I load lumber and all that fun stuff. Picking up a little speed. I got a little bump here. Now he's taking me down the driveway. To the dog. Be careful, Maxie. It's so neat. Maxie! She caught her ball. She's got her ball in her mouth. She wants to play ball. And there's Dad looking at us through the window. He's watching us through the window. There's Dad's new truck. His pickup truck. Tractors. There's our property. It's all covered in snow. There's the old barns over there. We've got neighbors over there. That's where the dog lives. She lives way over there. And she comes over when she hears us outside. She stays with me all day. Maxie! Maxine! Woohoo! We're going. And there we come by our little van. There's our van. Woo-hoo-hoo! He's picking up speed. Oh my God, it's so fun. I wish my family was here, my nieces and nephews, so they could do this with me. It is just a blast. It's so much fun. It is just good, clean fun.